What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today's gonna be a real quick video. It's my boys Limitless. We just bought a Limitless. He just bought a Limitless. All right, there's plenty of Limitless on YouTube, so we're gonna go real quick over this one. So here's another video of the Limitless. Okay, this one, you got the manual. All right, looking shit. You know the covers. I believe this is the pinion. There's a pinion in there. All right, and that's the car. So here it is. Que así. Now we're gonna take the body off. 1, 2, 3. All right. Pull up in the front. Put to the front. That's it. And here we have it. No servo, no motor, no battery, no nothing. All right, just a roller. The divs is same front and rear. The finale is the only one that comes like 2 different sizes. Still don't know why, but it is what it is. Okay, you got the motor mount here, and that's pretty much it. All right, these are the Holmes tires. Now there's 3 different materials. You got the white band, silver, I think it's for like intermediate, and then you got the gold one. The gold one is for track for speed. The white one is the hard surface or hard compound ones. And yeah, so this is what we got in the packages. We got stickers, we have the tools, pulse and stuff, okay, and then the pinion. That's the car. Hit the like button, subscribe. I'll see you somewhere over here with some other videos. All right, see you later. Peace.